Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on diagnosing and troubleshooting DTC P25DF, which signifies a variable valve timing control, VTC, a system malfunction, specifically in Honda CR-V models from 2023 and onward. The diagnosis is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a discrepancy between the command for phase control and the actual position of the intake camshaft, indicating a potential issue in the timing mechanism that optimizes engine performance. Addressing this DTC is critical for maintaining proper engine efficiency, optimizing fuel consumption, and ensuring the vehicle runs smoothly. VTC systems play a crucial role in adjusting the timing of the engine valves, which can directly impact power output and emissions. During this presentation, we will walk through a detailed troubleshooting guide to help identify the root cause of the malfunction and recommend appropriate repairs. DTC P25DF refers to a malfunction within the variable valve timing control system. The primary components affected include the powertrain control module, PCM, and the VTC oil control solenoid valves, which can include both A and B variants. The PCM is responsible for controlling various engine functions, including the timing of the camshaft through the VTC system, enhancing performance and efficiency. The VTC solenoids regulate the flow of engine oil to the VTC actuator, which adjusts the position of the camshaft based on engine conditions. These components are typically located in the engine compartment, often near the camshaft area, making them accessible for inspection. Diagnosing this malfunction involves checking these components to ensure they are functioning as intended, given their crucial role in accurate valve timing and engine performance. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P25DF. One major cause is low engine oil pressure, which can prevent proper lubrication to the VTC components, thus affecting their operation. This low pressure can arise from several issues, including oil pump failure or low oil levels. Another potential culprit is a blockage in the oil passage of the VTC system, which restricts the necessary flow of oil to the VTC actuator. These blockages can be due to debris accumulation or other contaminants within the oil system. Lastly, a failure in the VTC oil control solenoid itself can lead to improper valve timing adjustments, causing the PCM to detect an anomaly and store the DTC. It's vital to systematically evaluate these possible causes to determine the root of the problem. When DTC P25DF is triggered, several symptoms may become apparent. The most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the vehicle's dashboard, signaling the driver that an issue has been detected within the engine control system. Additionally, drivers may notice a reduction in engine performance, as the VTC system plays a crucial role in optimizing valve timing for better power output. This malfunction can lead to inefficient engine operation, which often manifests as poor acceleration or sluggishness. Furthermore, as the engine struggles to operate correctly, fuel efficiency may decline, resulting in increased fuel consumption. Awareness of these symptoms is vital for drivers to recognize that timely diagnostics and repairs are necessary. For the first troubleshooting step related to DTC P25DF, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Once the electrical systems are activated, use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to select the in VTC function. It is essential to monitor the outcome displayed on the HDS. If the result is not okay, it confirms that the malfunction has been duplicated, allowing you to proceed with further diagnostic steps. This method leverages the PCM's ability to communicate with the HDS to provide insight into the operational status of the VTC system. This preliminary check is crucial to ascertain whether the issue is reproducible before diving into more invasive diagnostic procedures. The second troubleshooting step involves conducting a test drive of the vehicle. This test should be performed at a steady speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour, 40 to 120 kilometers per hour, for a duration of 10 minutes. During this time, it is important to monitor the HDS for the VTC status to determine if it is on. This observation will help confirm whether the VTC system is functioning correctly during dynamic driving conditions. It is also crucial to keep an eye on the OBD status, onboard diagnostic status, to verify if DTC P25DF remains active or if other error codes manifest. This step enables the technician to assess the performance of the VTC system while operating under real-world driving conditions, helping pinpoint intermittent issues that might not appear during stationary tests. After addressing the underlying issues that triggered DTC P25DF, it is essential to conduct a final repair verification. This begins with clearing the DTC codes from the PCN using the HDS, which resets the diagnostic system. Following this, the vehicle should be test-driven once again under similar conditions to validate that the repairs have resolved the problem. During this drive, it's important to closely monitor the performance of the VTC system. If the DTC does not reappear and the system operates smoothly, this indicates a successful repair. Final verification ensures that the vehicle is running optimally and minimizes the likelihood of returning issues. This step is crucial as it confirms that all aspects of the repair were executed correctly and that the vehicle is fit for normal use. To prevent the recurrence of issues like DTC P25DF, implementing regular preventive maintenance is vital. Start by adhering to the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule, as clean and adequate engine oil is crucial for the proper functioning of the VTC system. Additionally, regularly inspect the VTC system for signs of oil leakage or component wear, particularly the solenoids and oil passages, which can be prone to clogs or debris accumulation. Monitoring and maintaining appropriate oil levels is equally essential, as low oil can lead to inadequate lubrication and pressure problems. Keeping the vehicle's engine bay clean and ensuring that the engine oil remains contaminant-free are proactive measures that contribute significantly to the longevity and reliability of the VTC system. By staying on top of these maintenance tasks, you can help avert similar issues in the future. To conclude, DTC P25DF indicates a malfunction within the variable valve timing control system, which is essential for optimal engine performance. Addressing this issue requires a systematic approach to troubleshooting, focusing on potential causes such as low oil pressure, blockages, or solenoid failures. Following structured diagnostic steps, including utilizing the HDS and performing test drives, allows for effective identification and resolution of the problem. Furthermore, integrating preventive maintenance practices, such as regular oil changes and system inspections, is vital to ensure ongoing performance and prevent future occurrences of this DTC. Overall, understanding the function of the VTC system, recognizing symptoms, and adhering to recommended practices will empower vehicle owners to maintain their Honda CR-V in peak condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.